In this video, I will quickly put you through on how to find out the locations your viewers on YouTube are watching from. Let's just get right into it.
First, you need to install this app called YouTube Studio. You can see that here, named YT Studio. So you can install it from App Store or from Play Store if you are using Android phone. Once you install it on your device, tap on it and sign into it with the email address you used to create your YouTube channel. All right, it's simple. So in this case, I have signed in, so let me tap on it for it to open. Once it opens, you will see your channel name and the number of subscribers you have and some activities, basic channel analytics. All right. So the next step you need to take is to tap on the analytics tab. Okay. In this case, I'm using iPhone. So it's at the bottom part of the page. Okay. So I'll tap on analytics. On tapping on analytics, you will see an interface that looks like this. Okay. So tap on audience. On this audience tab, you will be taken to a page showing some things about your audience. Our interest is to find the locations my viewers are watching from. So scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you get to the section named geography. All right. You can see here on this geography, you can see India is number one, followed by Philippines, followed by United States. But I know why it's like that. It's because Indians like consuming short contents as well as Philippines. Okay. So our focus here is on long form videos. That's where I want to draw your attention to, and that's where the money is. So tap on that geography for you to see expanded analytics. Okay, so you can see in this geography page, all is selected. Tap on videos. So under videos, we see the real guys that are watching my videos here. Is United States is 19.5%, which is number one on the number of people that watches my long form videos. Okay, 19.5%. Then India 15.9%, Philippines 8.3%, Nigeria 7.2%, United Kingdom 5.0%, followed by other countries. So once you have audience from US that is high in percentage, my bro, so far you're getting enough views, you'll make money. Okay, so that's how it works. If you want to check for shorts alone, you tap on geography again, select shorts, or you want to check for live videos, select live. So that's how it works, and it is that simple. Okay.
I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment if you have some questions in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.